Okay. Today we will discuss about coaxial feed patch antenna. So this is the structure of the patch antenna. Okay. So here top we have the patch, and this is the substrate. We can take FR4 epoxy or RT duride, any type of substrate. And next, this is the ground plane, and this is the coaxial connector. Okay. So this structure is designed in HFSS software. We will see. So here I already designed the coaxial feed patch antenna. So for designing coaxial feed patch antenna, first of all we need a patch. Okay. So this is the patch, and below the patch we have the substrate, and below the substrate we have the ground plane. Okay. And next we will use the wave port. Here we are using the coaxial probe. To that we are assigning wave port. Okay. Now we will design this type of structure. First go to file, new, project, assign project name coaxial feed patch antenna. Okay. And then select HFSS. Automatically coordinate system window will be APS. You can see. Now I am converting units to mm. Okay. HFSS modular units centimeters. Click OK. So the units will be converted to. Now I am creating the substrate first. So to create the substrate, take a rectangular box and name it as substrate and assign the material bogus 5880. Okay. And next I am giving some color. Click OK. Apply. Okay. And next I am assigning the dimensions -5 comma -4.5 comma 0, and coming to x size 10, y size 9, z size 0.32. Okay. And apply. Okay. Control D. You can see the clear picture. Okay. This is the substrate that is assigned to RT duride 5880. Okay. After that, I am creating the ground plane below the substrate. So how you create the ground plane? So to creating the ground plane, just take the rectangular sheet like this. Okay. And name it as ground plane. And you can assign different color, no problem. Transparency also. And next, you have to give the coordinates. Here I am giving -5 comma -4.5 comma 0, and x size 10, y size 9. Okay. You observe clearly, the ground plane is exactly settled at the bottom of the substrate. Now you have to assign this ground plane as a perfect conductor. So assign boundary perfect E. Click OK. Okay. So then the ground plane will be converted to perfect E. Okay. Now I am creating the cylinder. Okay. Just click on the cylinder like this, and assign position -0.5 comma 0 comma 0, and radius 0.16, and height will be 0. Okay, apply. Just click OK. Okay, I am naming as cut. You can see at the bottom of the substrate, we are taking the small circular shape patch. Now I am subtracting ground plane and this cut. Okay, then automatically here hole will be created. So please select the ground plane and cut. Okay, and next go to subtract option. Here you can see unite, subtract. Otherwise you can do right click, boolean, edit, boolean, and subtract. Okay, ground plane cut. You just click OK. So automatically hole will be created at the bottom side of the ground plane. There we can give the coaxial feed to excite the patch. But here we did not take in the patch. Now we will take the patch. Okay. So patch is nothing but a simple rectangular sheet. And coming to create rectangle, assign -2, comma -1.5, comma 0.32. And here we take in the X size 4 and coming to the Y size, we just take 3. Okay, and just click apply, just click OK. So automatically some rectangular sheet will be created here. Now you have to assign perfect E to this material. So assign boundary perfect E. So automatically perfect E plane will be assigned to the material. So top one is the patch, that is perfect E2, and bottom one is the ground plane, that is also perfect E2. Okay, and now I am taking a cylinder. So here I am taking the cylinder and coming to the dimensions of the cylinder, I am assigning -0.5, comma 0, comma 0, and radius will be 0.16 and the height will be 0.5. You can see. So the cylinder will be placed here, but the cylinder must be below the patch. This can be used as a coaxial feed. Okay, so just to double click on the create cylinder and I am assigning -0.5. So automatically at the bottom of the ground plane, cylinder will be inserted. Okay, and next name it as outer cylinder. Outer, just name it as outer, and then take another cylinder. Okay, and name it as inner. Okay, and assign material as PEC, perfect electric conductor, PEC material, and I am so here I named as inner and the material is PEC. I just assigned. Okay, and coming to the dimensions, I'm taking -0.5, comma 0, comma 0, and radius 0.07 and height -0.5. Okay, so inside one cylinder will be created. This is the outer cylinder and this is the inner cylinder. Okay, inner cylinder is assigned with the PEC. Now here I am creating the wave port. Here I am assigning wave port. So to create wave port, I am just taking a circle and name it as port, and coming to dimensions, minus 0.5 comma 0 comma minus 0.5 I assigned, and radius will be 0.16. Click apply. Automatically the circle will be inserted between inner and outer cylinders. Okay, now you have to assign wave port here. So here we are giving the excitation. So just click, right click, assign excitation wave port. Just click on none. New line will be created. Select the center point and just select the outer surface of the circle. Click OK. Now you can get the define. Just nest and finish. So port will be assigned. Here port will be assigned. Okay, and just Control D. Now coaxial probe patch antenna is ready. Okay, next to take another cylinder. Okay, name it as probe, and assign PEC material. Apply. Okay, right click, or just double click on the cylinder. Assign minus 0.5 comma 0 comma 0 and radius 0.07 and height 0.3. Just click apply. Okay. So here probe will be created. You can see. So this probe touches the patch. This probe touches the patch. You can see clearly. Okay. Substrate is the patch. Is the patch. Now take a radiation box. To create the radiation box, just draw the draw box. Draw box. Name it as RAD, and material will be vacuum. Take different color and transparency. Give some value. And coming to the dimensions, take minus 5 comma minus 4.5 comma 0, x value 10, y value 9, z value 3.3. Just apply. Automatically box will be okay. Now we have to assign radiation to this box. How to assign the radiation?